What's up, guys? We're back again with another video of the Evo in the Killer Garage, and today we got something a little special. We got our test pipe in, 3-inch test pipe. Looks pretty solid, good welds. The hardware, some gaskets. Let's get the car jacked up so we can get a little more room to work. This weekend I'm gonna paint this hood. I'll post a video about it. I think it looks pretty ugly. Well, maybe once I get my coilovers in, it won't look as bad, but the car looks way too high to me for my taste. We're here under the car, and all you gotta remove is these two 14mm bolts and the two 14mm bolts that are under here. Make sure you got your jack stand for safety. The cat off, and it's not even the stock cat. You could tell I had a test pipe before, and they just welded this cat on there. Putting on new hardware as well. That hardware shit. Alright, so I got the test pipe all bolted on and everything. I'm sorry I couldn't do it earlier. I had some shit to go do real quick. It was kind of urgent, but your boy all swagged out, you know. Anyways, but I had to do this at night. The car is quiet. I don't like it for shit. I want it way louder. I'm used to loud cars. And so tomorrow I'm gonna go to my local exhaust shop and get a straight pipe. Well, I mean, it's already straight pipe. I just gotta remove the rear muffler. So today we're going to get the Evo straight pipe right here to a local exhaust shop. See if they have the 4-inch piping I want for a tip, because I don't want just any regular tip. I'm here with my boy Luis. So we're back, and the Evo doesn't sound as loud as I wanted it to, but it's pretty loud. It's not bad. And I wanted a 4-inch tip. This tip ended up being a 3.5. But I mean, it's cool. I don't really matter, you know. I'm gonna get the JDM rip bumper anyway, so right now it looks kind of funny. But here it is. It's a full straight pipe, 3-inch straight pipe. Got my boy Lisa here. We're about to install catback exhaust in his car. The IS. Here's the catback for it. It's a Grady catback. Alright guys, so we got the exhaust on the Evo done. That's checked off. Catch you guys next time.